Hello everyone, this is Sue. Sue has got a black shoe and a pink jacket. This is Nick. Nick Okay, let it be red. Nick has got a green t-shirt and a mouse, gray mouse. Okay, this is Kim. Kim has got a yellow skirt and an orange and black fish. Tony, this is Tony. Tony has got trousers and socks. And this is May. May has got a cat and a brown shoe under the table.